Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss the internal and external structure of human eye. Before watching video, kindly subscribe our channel. Let's get started. The human eye is one of the sensory organs of the body. It is mainly responsible for vision, differentiation of color and maintaining the biological clock of the human body. The human eye can be compared to a camera as both works by gathering, focusing and transmitting the light through the lens for creating an image of an object. Contrary to popular belief, the eyes are not perfectly spherical. Instead, it is made up of two separate segments fused together. From the muscles and tissues to nerves and blood vessels, every part of the human eye is responsible for a certain action. Human eye is made up of several muscles and tissues that come together to form a roughly spherical structure. From an anatomical perspective, the human eye can be broadly classified into external structure and internal structure. The external structure of an eye: the parts of the eye that are visible externally include the following. Number 1. Sclera. It is a white visible portion. It is made up of dense connective tissue and protects the inner parts. Number 2. Conjunctiva. It lines the sclera and is made up of stratified squamous epithelium. It keeps our eyes moist and clear and provides lubrication by secreting mucus and tears. Number 3. Cornea. It is the transparent, anterior or front part of our eye, which covers the pupil and the iris. The main function is to refract the light along with the lens. Number 4. Iris. It is the pigmented, colored portion of the eye, visible externally. The main function of the iris is to control the diameter of the pupil according to the light source. Number 5. Pupil. It is the small aperture located in the center of the iris. It allows light to enter and focus on the retina. Now we discuss the internal structure of an eye. The internal components of an eye are: Number 1 is lens. It is a transparent, biconvex lens of an eye. The lens is attached to the ciliary body by ligaments. The lens along with the cornea refracts light so that it focuses on the retina. Next one is retina. It is the innermost layer of the eye. It is light sensitive and acts as a film of a camera. 3 layers of neural cells are present in them. They are ganglion, bipolar and photoreceptor cells. It converts the image into electrical nerve impulses for the visual perception by the brain. The most sensitive part of the retina is a small area called the macula, which has millions of tightly packed photoreceptors. The high density of cones in the macula makes the visual image detailed, just as a high-resolution digital camera has more megapixels. Each photoreceptor is linked to a nerve fiber. The nerve fibers from the photoreceptors are bundled together to form the optic nerve. The photoreceptors in the retina convert the image into electrical signals, which are carried to the brain by the optic nerve. There are 2 main types of photoreceptors: cones and rods. Cones are responsible for sharp, detailed central vision and color vision and are clustered mainly in the macula. Rods are responsible for night and peripheral, side vision. Rods are more numerous than cones and much more sensitive to light, but they do not register color or contribute to detailed central vision as the cones do. Rods are grouped mainly in the peripheral areas of the retina. Next is optic nerve. It is located at the posterior portion of the eyes. The optic nerves carry all the nerve impulses from the retina to the human brain for perception. Next one is aqueous humor. It is a watery fluid present between the cornea and the lens. It nourishes the eye and keeps it inflated. Last one is vitreous humor. It is a transparent, jelly-like substance present between the lens and the retina. It contains water 99%, collage, proteins, etc. The main function of vitreous humor is to protect the eyes and maintain its spherical shape. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe the channel and like our video.